I am super excited right now. I just received my Shake Peel from Shakepay. Super excited. We received this when you hit one of the milestones. First of all, what's Shakepay? And hello, guys. Welcome to this video. My manners. How rude of me. Welcome to this video. It's just my excitement. I'm carried away with my excitement. So, Shakepay is a crypto platform that allows you to buy crypto. It's very, very easy to use. It's absolutely great for Canadians. You can buy Bitcoin and Ethereum on it. But what I love most about it, it's the simplicity, the ease of use is very beginner friendly. In addition to that, it gives you the opportunity to make so many bonus rewards in the form of Shakepay. They literally give away free Bitcoin in the form of shaking sats, in the form of shake paid, in the form of cashback, roundups, shake squad. There's so many ways of earning additional Bitcoin Satoshi bonuses from this app. And one of the ways of doing that is by referring 5 people. So once you refer 5 people, you become a shake pillar. And that's what this reward is for. Because I've referred way over 5 people. In fact, let's get the exact amount of people I've referred. So I've signed up 10 people, and I've received a total of $245 for my trouble. But my goal is to sign up more people and keep sharing my passion for Shakepay because I really love this platform. It was the very first crypto platform I ever joined, and I've liked it from the get-go because it made it so easy to get into crypto. It wasn't complicated like some of these other platforms where you see 1 million coins and it's confusing. It's easy to add money to the platform. It's easy to buy the Bitcoin or the Ethereum that you want. It's easy to transfer to your external wallet. Very, very simple to use. But yeah, so when you refer 5 people, you get these rewards. So you have the water bottle with the Shake Pay logo on it, what they call the Shake Peel, and then you get these stickers as well, which I'm going to put on my laptop, and you know, it's a good way of getting people striking a conversation about Shakepay. Because it says one of them actually says, "Ask me about Shakepay." And people will be curious, what is Shakepay? So it's a great way of starting a conversation with people. So if you're already a Shakepay member and you haven't yet hit this milestone, share Shakepay with people. Share how great Shakepay is. Share what your experience with it has been so far, so that you can get yourself one of these as well. So I'm just really, really excited. When this came in through the mail today, I haven't been this excited to receive a package in a long time. And that's just, yeah, it's refreshing, and it's fulfilling when you get rewarded for things like this. And I was sharing Shakepay just because I loved it, not necessarily because I wanted to get a in fact, I didn't even know that they gave away these rewards. I only just found out recently because I actually hit that 5 referral milestones like probably over a year, 2 years ago. But I was referring people just because I liked Shakepay, not because of anything. It's only recently that I found out that you're supposed to get rewarded for it. So I put in a request to the support, and they sent me a form. I filled in the form, and then lo and behold, it arrived today. And I only filled in the form about a week ago, so I'm quite surprised that it's here already. But yeah, Shakepay, it's a wonderful platform. If you're looking for a platform where you can buy crypto, maybe you're just new to crypto, you want to start buying Bitcoin, or you want to even earn free Bitcoin. There's so many different ways to earn free Bitcoin, right? You've got the Shake Squad. So basically, when you join a Shake Squad, anytime any member of your squad uses their Shakepay Visa card, which you can activate once you open your Shakepay account and get verified, you can also activate your Shakepay Visa card. It's a prepaid Visa, so you send money to your cash balance, right? So any money in your cash balance, like this $19.41 that you see here, I can spend it through my Shakepay Visa. And when I spend it through my Shakepay Visa card, I get rewards, different types of rewards. I get the Shake Squad rewards. I get the Roundup rewards. I get the cashback rewards, right? So you get rewarded for you get Bitcoin. They pay you in Bitcoin just for doing the normal stuff that you would do anyway, right? So instead of collecting PC Optimum points or air miles, I think this is a better reward than all of those things because it's Bitcoin. Because as you stack up these Bitcoin rewards, when the value of Bitcoin goes up, guess what? The value of these rewards is also going to go up, like the dollar value. Okay, so I basically try to use my Shakepay card as much as possible now. So there's all these great rewards just from using Shakepay, like the shaking sats, for example. When you shake your phone every day, and then the more you can do that, the longer the streak, the more the Satoshis they give you every day. I make loads of videos on that every day. So if you go on my on my YouTube page, you see much more videos on how I earn free Bitcoin with Shakepay. So that's one of the ways. There's Shakepay, where you get a chance to get reimbursed for the cost of a purchase you made in Bitcoin, right? So many different ways. I mean, I could go on and on and on. But yeah, if you're looking for a crypto platform to start your journey with crypto and you're in Canada, I recommend Shakepay. I love it. I've been on with Shakepay since 2021, and I only just recently started taking advantage of all these extra bonuses because I didn't even know they existed. I was just happy using the platform to buy Bitcoin, send Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. But then I realized that there's a lot more incentives that I wasn't taking advantage of. So if you are looking to get started, if you're looking to join or to open a crypto platform, you want to start buying Bitcoin, or you just want to start earning these free rewards, then yeah, my referral link will be in the description of this video. When you use my link and you sign up with Shakepay and you get your account activated and you purchase your first $100 worth of Bitcoin, you will get an additional $20 cash. Shakepay will put that into your cash balance, and you can either spend that or you can use it to buy Bitcoin if you want. So that's an additional bonus. I mean, so many bonuses. They're literally just giving. Shakepay is literally just out here giving away free money, right? And who am I to say no? Who are you to say no? Let's take advantage of it, right? So if you do want to sign up, my link, like I said, my link will be in the description of this video. You'll get your $20 once your account is verified and you buy your first $100 worth of crypto. So yeah, I'm just really excited to receive my gift today, man. It's fulfilling when you work for something, and I know it's just a little water bottle and some stickers, but it means a lot to me, right? Shakepay, I'm grateful. Thank you so much for sending this to me. All right, so yeah, if you want to jump on Shakepay, like I said, link in the description of the video. And if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, watch some of my videos. I talk about my journey with Shakepay. I do my daily Shakepay shaking sats videos, which is me accruing as much Satoshis as I can. You can see I'm on a 22-day streak right now, and the goal is just to keep shaking consistently and not miss a day for as long as possible. There's people that have literally made like thousands of dollars just by shaking their phone every day, right? Who else gives you that type of incentive? Like, where else can you get Bitcoin over time, like stack up $5,000 worth of Bitcoin over time just by shaking your phone? Only on Shakepay can you do that. But anyway, I'm rambling on. So yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, watch some of my other videos to follow my journey with Shakepay and some of the other things that I talk about. And yeah, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. God bless and peace.